guys, we are deep into sweet potato season, and one thing that I love to do is just do a quick boil on some sweet potatoes, have them in the fridge ready to go, and then I can just quickly grab them and reimagine them in different ways. So in this video, I'm going to show you the quick way how to boil them, get them all ready, and then 4 ways how to reimagine these, how I do for my family. So great, so versatile, so nutritious. Let's do it. So all you're going to do is put the sweet potato into a pot of water, bring it to a boil. We're going to boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes until a knife easily pierces through. So here, check this out. All it is just the 2 sweet potatoes sitting in water. So it's been about 15 minutes. So depending on how big your sweet potatoes are, you might have to go a little bit longer. But the point is you want to boil them until a knife easily pierces through with very little resistance. Perfect. These are actually totally ready. So tongs, be careful. Obviously the water's very hot. And then we're just going to bring them out and let them cool. And I'm going to show you some fun things to do with them. So here we have our boiled sweet potatoes. Put them in a storage container, cover it up, and then just store them in your fridge. And I'm going to show you right now 4 really fun ways of how to reimagine these. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one. And I'll see you guys soon.